Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two amazing products from UnionSine. We have the UnionSine 500GB Ultra Slim external hard drive and the upgraded version, the UnionSine 1TB Ultra Slim portable external hard drive. Let's dive in. Both hard drives are ultra slim and incredibly portable, which makes them easy to carry around just about anywhere. They are lightweight and compact enough to fit in your pocket or bag without taking up much space. The only difference is that the upgraded version appears to be slightly thinner. When it comes to transferring data, both drives use USB 3.0 protocol, which allows for much faster data transfer speed. The theoretical read speed of the 500GB hard drive ranges between 110 megabytes per second to 133 megabytes per second, while the upgraded version ranges between 125 megabytes per second to 110 megabytes per second. However, the write speed for the 500GB hard drive is faster, up to 103 megabytes per second, but the upgraded version is slightly slower, up to 100 megabytes per second. Overall, the upgraded version shows slightly improved transfer speeds. Both products support a wide range of devices including Windows, Mac, Xbox One, PS4, Linux, and even Android. You can use these drives for all your gaming, business, and personal needs without any problems. Fantastic compatibility for both. Both external hard drives come with double anti-interference technology. The added signal shielding layer on the external hard drive chip enhances transmission speed and keeps it stable and undisturbed. They also come with an aluminum anti-interference layer wrapped around the hard disk chip for increased heat dissipation and protection of your data. The 500GB Ultra Slim hard drive is available for $34, while the 1TB Ultra Slim hard drive is available for $47. So, if you are looking for more storage and are ready to pay more, the 1TB version may be the way to go. But don't forget about the great performance of the 500GB version at an affordable price. So, that is our comparison of the UnionSine 500GB Ultra Slim external hard drive and the upgraded version, the UnionSine 1TB Ultra Slim portable external hard drive. We hope this comparison helps you pick the right external hard drive for your needs. Don't forget to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.